Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post by the Jerusalem Post staff, published December the 27th, 2023. Last updated December the 27th, 2023, and it reads, the Kamikaze drone fired from Syrian targets Golan for the first time in a war. Because we seeing, multiple different things that's going on over there in Syria. All different parts over there in the area over there. Definitely the increasing cross-border conflicts between the Israeli Defense Force and the Syrian army as well too. While you have these other nations over there as well too, like the Russian army, the Syrian army, the United States armies, the Houthi rebels, pro-Iranian backed group, the Turkish armies, and the Kurdistan armies, and other organization factors over there as well too. That's why we're seeing a lot of increase in the proxy wars and commotions of wars over there in Syria throughout that whole region. So, I just want to add an additional note to that. But I'm going to read this news article. As it says again, Kamikaze drone fired from Syria targets Golan for first time in war. A kamikaze drone fire suspected of being fired from Syria hit an open area in the southern Golan Heights on Wednesday night, marking the first time an explosive drone fire from Syria hit Israel since the war began, according to the Israeli reports. Since that was mentioned about Israel and Syria, both sides clashing it out with one another for a very long time, and still to this day, and recently as well too. This is Joel chapter 3 verse 9, especially that latest incident that took place, I would say 2 days ago on Christmas Day. You had this top general from Syria, top Iranian general. He got killed in the airstrike by the Israel Defense Force. So keep that in mind as well too. You seeing the rise, escalation, tensions over that as well too. So it's going to be a potential consequences for that as well too. Because I believe it was a news article that came out day before yesterday. Iran saying Israel is going to pay a heavy price for that airstrike that killed their top high-ranking general from Iran. So that's really going to cause more escalations over there in Syria. So it's going to be a lot of commotions and escalations and tensions over there in the area, especially the cross borders of Syria and Israel as well too, which we are already currently seeing right now. Joel chapter 3 verse 9, proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war, wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near, and let them come up. Joel 3 and verse 10, beat your plowshares and the swords and the pruning hooks and the spears, and let the weak say I'm strong. Right, so we over there in Western Asia, we're definitely going to continue to see escalations over there, especially the Israeli Defense Force against the Syrian armies and the pro-Iranian groups as well too. So with that, I just want to add an additional note to that once again. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying from the JerusalemPost.com by the Jerusalem Post staff, published December the 27th, 2023, and last updated December the 27th, 2023, and it reads again, Kamikaze drone fired from Syrian targets Golan for first time in war. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.